The Zigbee Wall Touch Smart Light Switch positions itself as a comprehensive solution for modern lighting control. Designed to integrate seamlessly into contemporary smart home ecosystems, this device aims to enhance convenience and functionality for everyday use. A key feature of this smart light switch is its operational flexibility, accommodating both neutral and no-neutral wiring configurations. This broad compatibility, coupled with the elimination of an external capacitor, significantly simplifies the installation process across a wider range of electrical setups. Furthermore, its support for two-way and three-way control addresses more complex lighting requirements, allowing users to manage lights from multiple points within a space. The device operates on the reliable Zigbee protocol, facilitating integration with popular platforms such as SmartLife and Tuya, and offering voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Practically, this switch is well-suited for upgrading existing lighting infrastructure in residential or commercial environments. Its adaptable wiring options make it an accessible choice even in older buildings where neutral wires may be absent. Users can leverage its smart capabilities to establish automated lighting schedules, create personalized scenes, or simply enjoy the convenience of hand-free operation through voice commands, making it a foundation for a more connected living or working space. From a design perspective, the Wall Touch interface suggests a sleek and modern aesthetic, moving away from traditional mechanical switches towards a more intuitive, responsive surface. The underlying Zigbee technology is generally associated with stable and responsive performance within a smart home network, indicating a focus on reliable daily operation. The emphasis on flexible installation without a capacitor directly contributes to user-friendliness and broader applicability. In summary, the Zigbee Wall Touch Smart Light Switch presents itself as a versatile and adaptable component for smart lighting integration. Its broad compatibility with diverse wiring setups, combined with established smart home platforms and voice assistants, underscores its potential as a practical upgrade for enhancing control and convenience in various environments.